Hello and namaste everyone. Once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Yograja. So today I will teach you advanced backbend Poorna Bhujangasana. So in this I will teach you from very basic that which step or which exercise you have to use to make your back more flexible so you can go in final position of Poorna Bhujangasana. In this you need one props like a chair. I will show you some exercise which help to open your shoulder and increase mobility of your back. And you need one ball which just as a support only. But if you're searching more classes like backbend, hip opening, twisting, hand balance, advanced, intermediate, beginner or full 1 hour classes, you can check in my description box, you will get, or you can check on my I button, I have given link there also. So we start our today video. Okay, so first I will show you how you can warm your back. So you have to just inhale, interlock your finger and exhale, hunch your back. Okay, you have to properly hunch your back, try to lift up here. Then again, inhale, take your arms back, expand your rib cage. Now here, see how you just try to lift your rib cage up, and if there is any partner, so you can tell them just straight like this. Then again, slowly exhale, hunch your back. So you have to focus on your rib cage, on your thorax region. Again, inhale, take your arms back, again focus on your rib cage. Try to create movement in your thorax. Exhale, you can do this 6 to 8 times. Inhale, take it up. Expand your rib cage. Exhale, properly hunch your back. We'll do last 2. Inhale, up and stretch. Exhale, hunch your back, stretch. One more, inhale, up and hold here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, slowly exhale, hunch your back and hold here. 6, focus on your thorax. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale, take your arms straight here and exhale. Okay, now next step with chair. See how to take it in front here, then you have to hold the chair front. See how she will hold, and you have to sit like this just to support. Hold here, your thumbs will be up. Okay, wait. Then take your both knee here 90 degrees. Move back. Okay, now you have to take your both leg 90 degrees. Then you have to try to touch, exhale and try to touch your forehead on the mat. Okay. Exhale, slowly get down. Here. And keep your both hands straight. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Look up, you have to fully come up. Exhale, get down and stretch. See, it will help to create movement in your thorax. Inhale, take it up and stretch. Look up. Exhale, slowly get down, press down and stretch. This also 6 to 8 counts. Inhale, take it up. And exhale, slowly get down, press down and stretch. Inhale, come up and straight. Exhale, get down. Try to touch your forehead down. Inhale, take it up here. Exhale, slowly get down. We'll do one more time. Last. Inhale, come up. And exhale, get down and hold here. 6, 5, try to touch your forehead down. 4, both arms straight. 3, 2, and 1. Slowly inhale. Now take your both hands down, meow. Take your both hands down here, cat pose. And again, hunch your back, lift up more, lean. 6, hunch your back properly. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly relax. Now next pose, you have to take touch your elbow, come here. Now see, your next pose will be, you have to try to touch your knee to the wall here. and put it down. Now make sure when you're lifting up, your pelvis will be down. Take your knee, little gap, same like shoulder level. Now take your wrist beside your navel. But if you're totally beginner, so you can take your fingertips and shoulder in the line and see. Don't lift up like this. See, when you lift up like this, only your lower back. You can see here, only my lower back is working, but thoraxis is not bending. So it's not good back bend. So whenever you are doing back bend, you have to try to move your thoraxis also. Okay. So how you will able to move thoraxis? You have to keep your elbow in, roll your shoulder back. See, not here, here. So when you take your elbow back, it will help to move thoraxis. Look up. Then slowly exhale here. Inhale, look up. Exhale. But if you are practicing for a long time, so try to keep your wrist and navel in one line here. Elbow in, inhale, up and stretch. Exhale, head down. Inhale here. Try to take, no, see, don't do like this. Okay, expand here. Take it up and try to touch your head to the feet. And exhale. Okay, now see, I saw on head. You come here. So remember, you have to take your knee little a gap with shoulder level. Then, where you have to keep, say for beginner or new practitioner, take your fingertips and shoulder in one line. Elbow will be in. Now inhale, lift up. Make sure your pelvis is down. Yeah. Now see, try to roll your shoulder back. Expand your rib cage. Exhale, get out here. Now this again you have to do 6 to 8 count. But if you're practicing for a long time, then take your wrist just beside the navel. Spread a finger. Elbow will be in. Inhale, take it up here. Roll your shoulder back. Here. And keep pressing your pelvis down. Exhale, slowly take it down here. Inhale, take it up and stretch. Squeeze the hip tighter. Take it up. Exhale, slowly take it down. Inhale, take it up and stretch. Exhale, we'll do last 2. Slowly inhale, up and stretch. Take it up here, expand your rib cage. And exhale, take it down here. We'll do one more time, and this time try to touch your head direct here. Inhale, up and hold here. Take it up. Now see, if it's that one, just tell them to press, spread the finger and just try to hold and lift up. Press here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then slowly exhale, get out. Now sit in child pose and bend and chill. Sit in child pose, here, both hands straight. So after back bend, forward bend is very important. Okay, now next exercise. Now in this you need support. No, sir. Take your both leg here, 90, take your feet little a gap here with shoulder level. Then you have to take your both hands straight here. Then hold it here. Then slowly you have to just take it up here. Take it up. Okay, push it here. Take it up. Again, inhale. Slowly get down here. And exhale, take it up here. Now see here, bend the leg, bend the knee, gap chin. Now see, if you're flexible with the knee, you can support. Then rotate your hands in and just try to up here, up, stretch. You can just hold here. But if you're beginner, so you have to just do half here. Take it here, both legs straight, and just lift up here. Just here straight. For beginner, you have to just do this here. Okay, and slowly relax. Sit in side pose and bend. And relax. Okay, thank you. Come here. Okay, now see, when you are following all this exercise, it will help you to increase your back flexibility. So one day you will be able to do here like this. See, both hands here. Inhale, come up, and exhale. Then you have to just take your fingers a little back, roll your shoulder back and just try to touch it here, look up and hold, stretch. Okay, then after you have to just get out here. Okay, so these are some techniques, try to follow this, and if you really wanted to do this posture, then try to practice this at least more than 20 days. Then after 20 days you will see that easily you are coming in this posture. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Hope to see you in next video. Thank you.